So usually one of the first things that I do when doing the data prep is to review what data I have. So I'm going to go through in this video to show you how I go about doing that. So you can see we got a lot of stuff in here, and it's all layer based because that's the CAD data. So over here we've got these CAD layers. Now, just to point out, some of these CAD layers in this particular drawing are basically following what is the National CAD Standard Layering Convention. This C means civil, this N is new. This is kind of a modified standard. Typically, you have a major category and then a minor category and then some other information over here. So, here it's basically civil, new, grading, contour, major. So this would tell me that my proposed contours, and if I toggle these values off here, these layers off, you can see that the contours in my drawing disappear. So those are my two contour layers. Then I can also take a look at those, and you can see they're CAD polylines, and it's on this R grading contour. You can see what layer that's on. But if I zoom in a little bit closer, we take a look at this one. You can see if I hover over that one, that is the proposed contour, so that's on that layer there. These callouts, which are elevations, if I hover over this, it'll show me what layer that is. That's text elevation, so I can see that value there. So I can toggle that off and toggle that back on, right? So kind of you can see it cleans it up. So the other thing that you might do is click on a 3D view. So if you click on this, it'll give you a 3D view, and you can see what data is elevated and what data is not. You can see some of this data is out where it's going from an elevated data to a non-elevated piece of data, right? So again, it all depends on how the CAD file was created. So just reviewing this, a couple other things you can do here is on the View Filter Manager. If you want to see just what's on the grading plan, you can click on grading plan and say display all members and click OK. And that'll turn off everything that's on the site plan. If I go in and do the opposite, where I say I want to see everything on the site plan, if you notice the contours here, when I click OK, they'll disappear, and now I see everything that's on the site plan. So using this View Filter Manager lets you see what is on each one of those drawings. So there's a few other things that we can do with this as well. So in the following videos, we're going to go through and just do all the 2D stuff first, and then we'll work on the 3D stuff in the following chapter.